Hello everyone, it's day 12 of our 15 days AWS challenge. Let's dive into today's questions and see how strong your AWS concepts really are. Question 1. Which AWS service provides scalable email sending for applications? A. Amazon SNS, B. Amazon SES, C. AWS Pinpoint, or D. AWS Lambda. The correct option is B. Amazon SES. Question 2. Which AWS service is used to orchestrate containerized applications across hybrid environments? A. Amazon ECS Anywhere, B. AWS Fargate, C. Amazon EKS, or D. AWS Batch. The correct answer is A. Amazon ECS Anywhere. Question 3. Which AWS service enables fast DNS resolution with health checks? A. Amazon Route 53, B. AWS Global Accelerator, C. Amazon CloudFront, or D. AWS Transit Gateway. The correct option is A. Amazon Route 53. Question 4. Which AWS service enables low latency networking for global applications by directing traffic to optimal endpoints? A. Amazon CloudFront, B. AWS Global Accelerator, C. VPC Peering, or D. AWS Direct Connect. The correct option is B. AWS Global Accelerator. Question 5. Which AWS service is best for building data warehouses at scale? A. Amazon Aurora, B. Amazon Redshift, C. AWS Glue, or D. Amazon DynamoDB. The correct answer is B. Amazon Redshift. Question 6. Which AWS service allows real-time translation between multiple languages? A. Amazon Poly, B. Amazon Transcribe, C. Amazon Translate, or D. Amazon Comprehend. The correct option is C. Amazon Translate. Question 7. Which AWS service enables interactive queries on large datasets using Spark, Presto, or Hive? A. Amazon EMR, B. AWS Glue, C. Amazon Redshift, or D. Amazon Athena. The correct option is A. Amazon EMR. Question 8. Which AWS service is ideal for storing container images? A. Amazon EFS, B. Amazon S3, C. Amazon ECR, or D. AWS Fargate. The correct option is C. Amazon ECR. Question 9. Which AWS service lets you schedule tasks and workflows using cron expressions? A. AWS Step Functions, B. Amazon Event Bridge, C. AWS Lambda, or D. Amazon CloudWatch Logs. The correct option is B. Amazon Event Bridge. Question 10. Which AWS service provides a fully managed in-memory cache for machine learning inference? A. Amazon Elasticache, B. Amazon RDS, C. Amazon Aurora, or D. AWS DataSync. The correct option is A. Amazon Elasticache. Question 11. Which AWS service enables version-controlled source code hosting? A. AWS Code Deploy, B. AWS Code Commit, C. AWS Code Pipeline, or D. AWS Code Build. The correct option is B. AWS Code Commit. Question 12. Which AWS service is used to accelerate file transfers into and out of S3 globally? A. AWS DataSync, B. S3 Transfer Acceleration, C. AWS Snowball, or D. Amazon FSx. The correct option is B. S3 Transfer Acceleration. Question 13. Which AWS service provides a managed workflow for running ML training jobs at scale? A. Amazon Poly, B. Amazon SageMaker, C. AWS Glue, or D. Amazon Recognition. The correct option is B. Amazon SageMaker. Question 14. Which AWS service allows publishing personalized push, SMS, and email campaigns? A. Amazon SES, B. Amazon SNS, C. Amazon Pinpoint, or D. AWS Step Functions. The correct option is C. Amazon Pinpoint. Question 15. Which AWS service enables developers to run code in response to events without provisioning servers? A. Amazon EC2, B. AWS Lambda, C. AWS Batch, or D. Amazon Lightsail. The correct option is B. AWS Lambda. Great work finishing day 12. Drop your score in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for tomorrow's quiz.